Hey SellKit users, ready to supercharge your sales? In this video, I'm going to show you how to import sales funnels into SellKit like a pro. We'll cover importing both from our awesome pre-made templates and from custom JSON files. Trust me, this will save you tons of time and effort. Let's get started. Alright, SellKit has all these awesome, ready-to-go templates, but they're made for Elementor. So, let's make sure Elementor is our default page builder, and we'll start by hopping over to the settings page. Now we're going to select Elementor as our preferred page builder. With Elementor selected, let's save these settings by clicking Save Settings. Now that Elementor has been set as the default page builder, let's move on to importing funnels. Okay, let's dive in by selecting Funnels in the SellKit menu. This is where the magic happens. Okay, now we're in the funnel section, so let's explore the possibilities. To import ready-made funnels in SellKit, we'll use the Add Sales Funnels option. Let me show you how. Now, I'll click the Add Sales Funnel button. This will take us to the Funnel Recipes page. Alright, now we're on the Funnel Recipes page, where you can find a variety of pre-built funnels to import. Let's take a quick look and explore the different funnel options SellKit has to offer in its ready-made funnel library. Alright, let's review this product funnel template right here. Just click on View Steps. This funnel is looking good for our website, so let's go ahead and import it by clicking Get Funnel. Once we clicked Get Funnel, the funnel import started, and we were taken to the funnel flow. Alright, the steps of the funnel we selected are now successfully imported and are editable here. Pretty cool, right? Alright, so now that we've covered importing ready-made templates, it's time to import a funnel using a JSON file. To do that, we'll head over to the Funnels tab, where the Import button is waiting for us. Let's go ahead and import a pre-made sales funnel by clicking Import. And that opens the Import Flows modal, ready for our .json file. Now let's click Choose File to grab the funnel file from my computer. I'll select the online course.json file from my Downloads folder. This is the funnel template we're importing. Finally, let's click Import Flow to bring the online course.json funnel into SellKit. Okay, let's click on the online course funnel we just imported and go through its settings. Alright, as you can see, the steps of the online course funnel we just imported from our JSON file have been successfully imported and can also be edited. Now let's see how our imported funnel looks live. Click the View Funnel button. And that's a wrap on importing sales funnels in SellKit. Now you've got to know how to work with both ready-to-use templates and your own JSON files. Keep experimenting, have fun with it, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.